In this video, we'll talk about top 5 realistic ways to earn money while you sleep. For many people, the ultimate dream is to earn money while they sleep, and it's not as difficult as you may believe. Passive income can be produced in a variety of ways, allowing you to earn money while you're resting, spending time with family, traveling, or engaging in a pastime. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more intriguing videos like this, and be sure to watch this video to the end. Number 5. Invest in the stock market. You've likely heard the phrase, "It takes money to make money." Indeed, having some money makes it easier to get more. A wonderful way to passively make money long-term is to invest. When people think of investments, they often think of the stock market. When you start investing money in stocks that are considered safe, no stock is 100% guaranteed to make you money. You typically end up with a profit for doing nothing, but letting the asset increase in value. That's why the stock market is one of the best investments for young adults. A diversified, low-cost portfolio held across long periods can easily result in making money while you sleep. Number 4. Email marketing. Email marketing is an excellent way to interact with your audience and advertise goods and services. It can be utilized to gather leads, close deals, or simply stay in touch with clients who are considering your offerings. The ability to fully automate email marketing is its strongest feature. You have complete control over who receives the messages and when they are sent, and you may program a series of messages to be sent at certain intervals. Because email marketing doesn't demand continual attention, you can earn money while you're asleep. You can keep using email marketing to generate passive money so long as people keep signing up for your list. Email marketing can be used to advertise either your products, affiliate products, or both. ConvertKit is a fantastic choice because it offers e-commerce capabilities as well, and you can choose which messages are sent to consumers who have bought your products as compared to those who haven't. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Learning affiliate marketing is a skill you might wish to develop if you're seeking a way to earn money online while you sleep. You can generate affiliate revenue as long as you have a consistent and dependable source of traffic that you can direct to a pertinent landing page using your affiliate link. Due to the ability to generate traffic on demand, many of the greatest affiliates choose sponsored traffic from sources like Facebook ads, Google ads, and other social media platforms. Of course, if you're just beginning to start, your budget for purchasing traffic may be constrained. However, some techniques also enable you to receive some visitors for no cost, such social media marketing. As you start to get affiliate commissions, you may put that money back into ads to hone your abilities to make effective ones. Number 2. Start a blog or niche website. The use of a blog or specialized website is one of the most well-liked methods for generating passive income. Of course, it takes time and work to launch a content-based website. However, if you are successful, passive income may one day be a possibility. Content-based websites can make money by selling digital goods, publishing sponsored content, running display advertisements, and using affiliate marketing, among other methods. For passive revenue, some monetization strategies perform better than others. For instance, monetizing a website with ads is often not the most lucrative option, but ads generate virtually entirely passive income. If generating passive revenue is your aim, hiring freelance writers and virtual assistants will allow you to outsource the majority of the labor required to manage the website. You'll have more time on your hands because someone else will be completing the work, which means you might be able to replicate the procedure on another website. Number 1. Start a YouTube channel. One of the most well-known websites on the planet, YouTube also offers a fantastic way to monetize your content. Any topic can be the subject of a video, and if you can amass a sizable audience, you can earn money from advertising, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or the sale of your goods and services. Of course, there is preparation involved in beginning a YouTube channel. Before you start making a sizable income, you'll need to routinely produce videos and grow an audience. However, if you've established a profitable channel, it can make you money when you're sleeping or otherwise occupied. Your established channel will gain views all the time because people are constantly looking for video content. Except for the use of video material rather than textual content, it is quite similar to how a blog or specialized website earns passive revenue once it has gained traction. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell to watch more videos like this. See you later.